Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Alexis Celine. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video, I will be doing a decluttering and reorganizing my spice cabinet. It is a hot mess in there. Everything is out of order. There is no structure whatsoever. So I went ahead and ordered some spice racks and also some containers to get everything situated, just so it's easier for me whenever I'm cooking to find the particular spice right away. I'm not having to dig through all of them, moving everything around. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any of my future uploads. Let's get to this video. So this box right here is the spice rack that I got. It is expandable spice rack, which has 3 tiers. It can go from 12 to 24 inches, I believe. I ended up ordering 2 of these, which is 4 total because you can separate the 2. I didn't realize that at first. This one is way too long using both of them, so I'm gonna have to use one on the top and one on the bottom shelf. I may give the other order to my mom, or I might return it, I don't know. But let me show you what these look like. These are just a black metal material. So this is what it looks like. It is very durable and doesn't feel cheap at all. The set was only $10. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything out of there, cleaning it out a little bit with some Lysol wipes. This is what it's looking like. It's very chaotic. Everything is just out of place. It's seriously so hard trying to dig in here, trying to find a particular spice that I'm in need of. Finally, after 2 years, it is time to get this thing looking tidy because I am tired of digging in here, trying to look for something, and yeah, it's just overwhelming. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the stuff, wiping it down. I'm just gonna go ahead and place everything on my stovetop. Can't go wrong with the abuelita hot cocoa. Okay, noodles. You can never go wrong with having noodles because they are so cheap and they are like the best snack for when you're feeling hungry and you want a late night snack. Some Valentina with this is bomb. Bay leaves. I did end up buying some more, so I might just toss these. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and cleaned out that bottom shelf and it's all ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Place this in, and I think I'm just gonna center it and then cut some of the bigger ones on the side because all the big seasonings that I have don't fit on the top. They're too tall. So I'm gonna put them on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything in here. Gumbo filet, 2 of those. I don't know if I should leave it like this because I'm not able to see what's like back there on the other shelf, or I might move some to kind of leave some space in between so I can see what's on the back shelf. Like that. I think I like that better, just so I can kind of peep on the sides to see what is in the back. I think I might just put these, like the big ones, on the side. Salt. Can't go wrong with Tony's. I think I like it like that compared to this, which is very unorganized, and up there as well. But I do still have all of these miscellaneous ones here. So first I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with those. I have a lot of big stuff like this. Oh look, another salt, some coffee creamer, coffee, some vinegar, a lot going on. So some of that stuff I might just move it up higher and add these spices that are still down here on that second shelf. Don't know. I'm trying to decide on what would be best. I guess once I take everything out and see what all is on this second shelf, then I can kind of determine what would be easier. another one of these. Might just move it down here. Can't ever go wrong with these. Great to season. Is anybody else like this? I just found another one. So that is 3 gumbo fillets. I'm the type of person that will buy one, not even check in to see if I have one, and then I end up having multiple, usually all the time. So yeah, like another tahini. I'm not even sure why these jalapenos are in here because I don't put any canned goods in that cabinet. Here's for my other cabinet. Alright, so everything is off of this shelf. Time to wipe it out. Now that it is clean, go ahead and get that second piece of the first rack. So here I have the second one, and I'm just gonna place it in the center like I did the other one. Bought these 2 containers. This one here that has little sections in it, or they're kind of similar. This one here, I like that it has this opening. You're able to easily grab anything in here, but it also has the option to section it off if you want. It came with some little dividers to add if you'd like. Let me figure out which one looks best there, and I might just end up putting all those sauces in one of these, and also the packets. So yeah, it does fit there, but we ran into a dilemma. Let me check the other ones. Alright, so this one fits. So what I think I might do is I might just lay that one flat at the top. So I really don't reach for that. So I'm gonna keep this here. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Looking really good. Still have some stuff over here on the counter that I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with. I think I might take like this box since it's not open, and I might just slide it under here. I don't know if that looks tacky or not, just in case I can have backup. I also have this little bag, so I might put it here too. I think that doesn't look too bad, not too tacky. It's kind of tucked away. So yeah, that looks good there. So next is this shelf. Chiles. Camarones secos. Vinegar. Cinnamon. Cornstarch. Went ahead and grabbed another one of these organizers to put the rest of the stuff that I have. Alright y'all, so that shelf is complete as well. Everything looks a little bit better and some containers are not thrown all over. I am gonna go ahead and roll the before and I'll show you the after. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this organization video. I feel 100% better that everything is organized and it's not chaotic, and it just looks way better and it's going to be easier for me when I'm cooking. And yeah, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any of my future uploads. Spoiler alert, I am going to be filming a organizing and declutter my pantry. That thing is 10 times worse than this little cabinet. Be on the lookout for that video. I will be filming it pretty soon. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.